So, my dear friends, it is very important for us to know our own self, our own respiratory system, because since we are talking about the breathing, we should know what is actually happening when we breathe in or breathe out, and whether we are doing it in the correct way as we have been doing it for so many years, or there is something that we can improve. Very, very important it is, because the reason is that just like a fish who are trying to fall into the bait, we do not want that to happen to us. So awareness, breath awareness is the most important thing. Now, let me tell you, I'm not a medical student, but in order for me to finish my international certification in the yoga around 8 years back, I had to go through this process of knowing our body system. But it's been long years. But in order to prepare for you, I had to spend this couple of days just to refresh my own memory, and as well as to prepare some documents that I can show it to you. So medical terms are very, very difficult to remember, but I will try to make it slightly easier to you. With due respect to all the terms, please allow me to make little bit funny things so that uh, they become easy for you to recall as well. Regarding with respect to the respiration, which we know is nothing but inhalation, process of inhalation and exhalation that happens. The six organs are very important, and that I can, if you want, I have prefixed it with like NBL, TBLA, NBL tabla. Now we all know what is, sorry, NPL tabla, NPL tabla, and now we know that what is IPL, right? Indian Premier League. So what is NPL? NPL, you can think of it as Nose Premier League. No, not Nose Premier League, but N stands for nose. Now imagine the nose is the highest chamber, right? The input of the air. So in India, we have this proverb also called as "Naak Uchi Rakhna." So we try to keep our. So what's the English form of "Naak Uchi Rakhna"? Naak Uchi Rakhna. Uh, we can try to Google it out. I tried to search it out, but I could not find it. Naak Uchi Rakhna. It's like when she tightens the laces of her shoes. I don't think that's a meaning. Nakuchi Rakna. Uh, your nose is a part of the face that sticks above your. That is also not Nakuchi Rakna. इसका अर्थ है कि किसी को बहुत परेशान करना, नाक में दम करना. So I tell you, sometimes even Google cannot answer. But if you find it out, please let me know. Nakuchi Rakna. We go back to here. So nose is the first input of your air. Then the nose has got two children called as Larry and Perry. So Larry is basically a DJ. He's also called as vocal box. He's always playing the music and the sound and whatever. And our Perry is more into F&B business, food and beverages and the air. So both of them, they go and they meet Madame Trachea. Madame Trachea is also lovingly called as windpipe. So if you see over here, this is the windpipe, Madame Trachea. So they asked Madame Trachea if we can enter into your windpipe. But because Madame Trachea is very, very strict, she says, no, sorry, no food and beverages. Okay, I can allow the wind to enter. So both of them agree to send the wind to Trachea. Now, Madame Trachea has got two branches. And the name of the branches is Bro and Chi. And together they call it Bronchi. So there is a Bronchi which is going to the left lung, and there is a Bronchi which is going to the right lung. So you can see these, we have the two lungs. Don't tell me you have three lungs already. It's always the two lungs for any of us. So TNPL, TBLA. And now A. What is A? A is the most important thing in the lung, which is known as alveoli. So alveoli is you can consider this as something like a grape kind of structure, where all the exchange of the gases happens. But you already know what is lungs, right? Lungs is basically you have got left lung and the right lung. And inside the lung, we have also a space for the heart to sit in. And lungs actually is divided into three categories. One is known as um, the upper lung, the middle lung, as well as the lower lobe. So three lobes of the lungs are there. And please, for God's sake, please do not get confused lungs with lungi. Lungi is South Indian attire, a very famous traditional attire, and often promoted by our famous superstars, Sir Shah Rukh Khan, and the female co-stars. But lungs and the lungi, they are separate. They are not together. Now we know that trachea, Madam Trachea, which is into the business of windpipe, has got two branches, bro and chi. And let me tell you, the most important part is that this bronchi has to pass three levels of education. One is known as primary education, another is known as secondary education, and the third is known as tertiary or the graduation. The primary education is somewhere just near where this split is happening. The secondary is somewhere inward. And the tertiary is the main one because the tertiary bronchi are the ones which are closest to alveoli, where your exchange of the gases will happen. So again, try to look at the new diagram. This grape-like structure, the grapes are known as alveoli. And the three level of education which I talked to you is primary, secondary, and tertiary bronchi. You would be amazed to know that the tertiary education levels, they are mostly at the lower lobes or at the extremes of your lungs. And that is where the catch 22 situation is. Because when we are doing shallow breathing, we are only able to make these bronchi pass primary level or the secondary level, but we are never able to make this bronchi go through the tertiary level. And that is why when we are doing shallow breathing, we are only able to inhale 20% of our capacity. The rest 80% is like dead space. It is never utilized. It is as if it's an empty ground for anyone to hijack it. And the present circumstances that we are seeing, COVID or any other immune system deficiency, is all because of this little mistake that we are always falling into this pit by not making a conscious effort to breathe in little deeper and exhale out little deeper. This little bit of effort is promoting so much of damage. COVID is the biggest, I can call it as pandemic that we have seen over lifetime. But there are other diseases also that is affecting us, like something like irritable bowel syndrome, something called as fight or flight kind of situations in which we become so anxious that we do not know the right way to respond to a situation. All because that God is giving us the free oxygen from the nature, but we are not making an effort to pull that oxygen into our lungs. Let me end up with a small story that this is the beautiful blue cell who is actually a red blood cell, but right now it is blue because it has not given the oxygen. So it is very happy because very soon it is going to meet, uh, pass through the heart, and it is going to meet the alveoli where the exchange of the gases will happen. And along with this, it needs millions of its own red blood cells, which are oxygen deprived, because very soon you are going to inhale and they will be filled up with rich hemoglobin rich red blood cells, and they will turn back and then they will do the process which they want to do to make your body strong. And now they say we are right now in the capillaries. The capillary is something like, you can call it as a metro train which is taking them along, and then the exchange of the gases will happen from the lungs through alveoli. What happened is when you breathe in shallow, only a very small percentage of them will be able to get the oxygen, become red, and the rest of them will become very sad, depressed, and angry. Imagine a situation in which our near and dear ones are needing oxygen, but when they go to the hospitals, the oxygen is already very shortage, and we have to return back empty handed, sad, depressed, and angry. In a similar way, these cells, they went in with enthusiasm, with the hope that maximum of them will become oxygen rich cells, but unfortunately, only a small 20% of them could become oxygen rich. The rest of them became very, very sad. Some of them will turn into an angry cells. They have the potential to turn into the cancer cells. Some of them will become very, very sad and worried and turn into worrisome cells. Some of them will become turn into sick cells, causing irritable bowel syndromes and other diseases. Some of them will lose the energy at all. And we will end up in such situations where it makes me cry when I see my own brothers and sisters of India waiting to receive the oxygen cylinders, and they are willing to carry the oxygen cylinders to their near and the dear ones. My dear brothers and sisters, with folded hands, my only purpose is to make you aware that now oxygen, or you can call it as breath awareness, is the most important thing in your life. Please don't take it for granted. It is exactly the same way that as if the fishes are getting caught in the bait again and again, but there is nobody to make them aware that please do not fall into the bait. So we as a human beings have that intelligence to understand that if I am able to breathe in deeply, I am able to make my own immune system, my lungs, a very, very strong system to fight. Vaccines are very good, but let me tell you, we are always so much dependent upon one shot and two shot and quick shot methods that we lose the right way to proceed. आप वैक्सीन लगाते हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है, लगानी चाहिए, सबको इंकरेज करो लगाने के लिए, लेकिन सिर्फ वैक्सीन के भरोसे नहीं रहना। कहीं ऐसा ना हो वैक्सीन आपके भरोसे बैठी है, बिकॉज द सक्सेस ऑफ एनी वैक्सीन depends upon the success of your immunity, but you can double up your immunity by doing this deep breathing exercise. And to be very honest, I have not even covered any advanced level of breathing at all. It's just very basic, that the first step is measured breathing. You inhale for 5 counts, you exhale for 5 counts. as simple as it is. And in 1 minute, you should be able to just inhale and exhale up to 6 counts. And if you feel very tough to do 5 seconds, make it 4, make it 3, whichever is comfortable way. But know, first of all, know your own level, your normal level of breathing. It may be possible that you are breathing 20 counts per minute or 25 counts per minute. You try to improve from there. First, know your level, improve from there. At least try to do it 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Make it a conscious habit until it turns into your subconscious activity. But you have to start with the conscious effort. And the best way to start is measured breathing. And don't make it dry. Just as you enjoy your food, right? You enjoy good food. In a similar way, you should enjoy the breath. And the best way to enjoy the breathing is take the holy name along with it. Take any positive thing along with it. When you inhale, you feel as if you are taking in the blessings from your surroundings. When you exhale, you express your gratitude back to the God who is giving you the free oxygen from the nature. Please, please remember this. There is one Japanese rule. The rule is that 80% of the problems are caused by 20% of our causes only. Meaning to say, your 80% of the problems can be easily resolved if you fix 20% of your cause. Please try to resolve your breathing irregular patterns. And I told you, before you go to the sleep, morning time when you wake up, when you are sitting idle, our problem is when we are sitting idle, either we look to keep something, to make something busy. We are always, either we are always on this mobile phone to keep ourselves busy, or we do not know how to pass that idleness. We fall asleep. When the seers and the saints, they keep themselves idle, they think about their breath, they make themselves aware of their breath. It is going to help you a lot. Until we meet next week, or whenever I post a new video, please promise me, please make a resolution that not only you, but you are going to make everybody breath awareness. Try to make it 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whenever you get a chance in the daytime. Please do it. Thank you so much.